Hi everyone. Today we will learn about the paired sample t-test. The purpose of paired sample t-test test the population mean of one sample has some change difference before and after condition. Consider some examples. The example 1 is medical students have higher GPAs in research course after attending research seminar. DM patients control their sugar level after enrolled in 2 week physical activity program. Okay, consider an example to solve in SPSS for paired sample t-test. In a study, researchers want to determine the effects of the certain oral contraceptive on weight gain. 12 healthy females were weighted at the beginning of a course of oral contraceptive usage. They were re-weighted after 3 months. Do the results suggest evidence of weight gain? Use alpha level 0.05. Here we have two readings of 12 subjects, females. The first subject initial weight is 120 and the after using of oral contraceptive 3 month weight 123. Here we have 12 readings or 12 subjects. First we open our SPSS data editor and go to variable viewer to create our variables. Here we create two variables, initial weight and final weight after 3 months of using contraceptive pills, oral contraceptive pills. The first variable name is initial weight and the second variable name is final weight. Both variables are scale and input and target. Okay, for data entry, we go to data viewer and enter 1 to 12 serial number and initial weight and final weight. The next steps for the SPSS options, go to analyze, then go to compare means and then go to paired sample t-test. When we press the paired sample t-test window pop up. Here in step 1, we move initial weight variable in paired variables. And in step 3, we move final weight in paired variables and then press OK button. The SPSS output window we will show the results of paired sample t-test. The first window show the paired sample statistics, initial weight mean and final weight mean and standard deviation. And the third window show the paired sample t-test where t-value and significance to tail. The p-value or significant value is 0.109, which means there is no weight gain after using oral contraceptive pills. in weight after 3 months. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.